guys. Head down. Picking the cop. Not the bystanders. The person who picked the cop. Not the bystanders. It's all good. All right. You guys good to go?
Are you the murderer? Are you the murderer?
Are you?
Oh. Okay.
Nervous about Hayden. Look, you can check me. I actually don't.
You wanna fondle me? No, please don't do it. Luke's the murderer.
Start in the middle.
Do it.
Yeah, I do it.
Alright, Hayden, are you the murderer?
I'm wearing tight pants, man.
Bam!
You'd be able to see that.
Put the tight pants on. Tight
I'm
pants.
hiding it on my nipple, actually, you know.
Oh, dang! Luke, what's that?
Wait,
Wait a sec.
was he just a second?
No, that's an actual knife.
This kid right here. One with the jizz. Check his left pocket. What are you talking about?
No. See the,
I like you to just start running.
you see the cop?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're the cop.
How do you know?
I saw him pull gun.
Oh, okay. What?
Dead people can't talk.
They're not dead, but that guy's the cop.
You're dead.
Stay back. Hey, white shirt. Watch the guy in the white shirt.
No, there's too many people here. I have no idea. I think he might be the murderer. I saw him with some.
I think he's the cop because I saw him holding a gun.
Oh, what the? Hey, Colin!
Oh wait.
I'm the cop.
Yeah, I saw you pull the gun earlier.
Yeah.
It was kind of game over unless they get your gun.
Yeah, I don't know. What am I supposed to do with the gun? Just stand here?
Yeah, I think.
Assault to get that pistol.
I can't take your gun.
Hey, try to catch one of these.
You're not playing it right.
Sorry, I'm bumping into you.
Good.
Am I allowed to throw the knife?
Yeah, the cop can't throw it.
I can throw the gun?
Yeah, throw it.